Hello, everyone. Welcome to the J&J Ranch channel in our little corner of the YouTube world. This is where you follow our family around with our few animals that I know nothing about, but I'm trying to learn. I'm actually asking for a little bit of helpful advice, and I know I'm going to need it for sure. Because, again, I don't know anything about farm animals. This video is just going to be like a little recap of the last month, or our very first month. We just moved into our house, and it came with farm animals, which is 6 chickens and 4 goats. We had 8 chickens, but one was a mean rooster, so we gave the rooster away, but they wanted to see if they have a hen with it, so we obliged on that one. But at the end of this video, I have a few questions that I'm wondering if people could help me with, and it's about building a chicken coop. As you can see right here, that's our chicken coop, and we're not happy with it. The chickens don't really go in there very much. They'd rather take over the goat house, which is behind here. But we're going to build my chicken coop. And I have a few questions that I'm hoping people can help me with. But I hope you enjoy the recap first.
Huh? Kelly, stop eating the wheelbarrow. Don't. Hey, that's my shovel. Hey, Kelly. That is my shovel. Leave my shovel alone. You just don't listen. Hey, stop eating my shovel. You're a pain. Henrietta, what are you doing out there? Oh, you ready now? Huh? Oh, you already jumped back in, huh? Huh? Get over here. You running from me now? Someone know they in trouble? You know you're in trouble now? Hey, you need to calm down. We have to make you guys a new house now, because you guys don't like to stay in the yard. I know I could put some more fencing, but, we're just going to build you guys a whole new run. Yes, I hear you. What do you want? What? Back at you. You're very talkative today. Kevin, really? As I call your name, you want to do that? Well, you guys are always waiting to take turns here? Oh, was it your turn now, Kelly? Come on, you guys. Really? Really? You guys gonna trap me in here for your food? Huh? At least let me get your food out there.
Yeah. And I can also eat the bugs. And there's like, this water tastes different. Wait, what? There's bugs in it. Blah.
The ultimate redneck lawnmower? Goats. I wouldn't say they're cheaper.
Kelly? Hey. Get.
Kevin, once I get my shoe, I'm coming for you. Yeah, that's what I thought, Kevin. Get away from the chickens.
Kelly, get. Kelly, get. Kelly think it was a ghost.
What is doing? You guys want breakfast? Come on.
I know what you guys want. You guys gonna meet me at the gate? Huh? Yeah, I figured you would. Kevin, Kyle, Cade, Kelly. It's breakfast time. And then you have Duke. Which, they don't mind him. This is what happens when your wife says, or finds tires on Facebook and says go get them for the goats, but doesn't give you all the details. You have to figure out how to get these things home. Steep hill. Yeah. Sucks to be the person behind me if I lost one. Something I can't figure out. For one, you can get out of there. There's a chicken back there. You have all these chickens here. And then you just have her. And she's just over there. For some reason, that's where she wants to go. Can't figure out why. That's always where she wants to go. The rest just stay right here. Are you that stupid where you can't get out from over there? So we put the tires in late last night, so I don't think the goats had enough time to get used to them. So, we're going to see how this goes over the next few days. Besides, Cade wanted to eat one. I think they sort of like it. What'd you do, Kelly? Like, just fell in a hole? Sometimes I wonder about goats. So we're going to try giving the chickens a snack tonight. We decided to freeze some fruits and some ice because it's been so hot here. So we're going to see, one sec, bananas, strawberries, I think it's blackberries and some ice. I threw some mealworms in here to give them some kind of snack. Let's just see what they do. Let's flip some of these over. I know they like the mealworms. That's just what they do. Now let's see here. Oh, I don't want a mealworm in my container. Let's see if they sit here and do anything. So I completely forgot to come back out to see how they like the ice thing. But this morning, or this afternoon when I get the eggs, it's all gone. So they either liked it or something happened, and now I gotta fill in a hole. These fools. For everybody that's been watching for a while, you know my goats are not very well, I don't know, civilized? I think it's the most civilized I've seen them, where all four, well, they were in their own bucket until, I think that's Kevin, wanted to be a pain. But better than nothing. It's been a good day right now, today for all the animals. Yay! 6 chickens, the first time we ended up with 6 eggs on the same day. So that's a good sight, at least, I think. Now they're all over here underneath the play set. What are you doing, Duke? What are you doing? Hey, get up! Stop rolling around the chicken poop, you dummy. And the goat poop. You guys don't listen too much, do you? I said there's nothing up here, but yet you guys still try to come up here when I'm cleaning. What is going on with you guys? Now, if you wait like 5 minutes, I could have this back here up and running for you. But no. No. You guys are such a pain sometimes. You don't want to be in here all day, then when I go to clean it, you don't want to leave. How'd that one feel? Kevin, are you being a pain to the chickens and not letting them in their coop? Huh, Kevin? Come on. Move, Kevin.
Got to come out here because Kevin's blocking the way so the chickens can't get in the coop. Kevin, move. There you go. Now let them get in their coop. Yeah, you're welcome. See, that's all they wanted, Kevin, is to get into their coop. Kelly? Kelly? You're worse than Kevin with the coop. Leave the tree alone, Kelly. No one else messes with it but you, so leave it alone. Kelly, enough! You're gonna get it, lady. Trying to let the goats out into our yard so they can eat some of the weeds, but now the chickens want to fight for it. What are you doing, Kevin? Come on. There they go. Nope, right for that tree, too. You guys are gonna get in trouble if you mess with Mama's tree. Okay, now I don't care what they do down there. I think they're pretty happy with eating all the weeds in the yard. Some fresh food out here, I guess. Even though we opened up the pasture a little more that way. But it's green over here, I guess, and it's just more weeds. Free lawn service.
So back to the chicken coop. I have watched a lot of videos, and they all have different things to say, and a lot of them being great advice. But we want to build a chicken coop with a storage shed attached to it so it can hold their feed, their treats, all that, with a wall in the middle. So like walk in, you have a shed, then there's another door to the chicken coop. We want to make it big enough so we can actually easy clean out. And I'm just wondering what are some of the things that we should make sure we do to the coop, like certain features and stuff like that. And that's our big thing. Because we're going to do probably a big one. We're thinking about 8x16 and do an 8x8 for the shed, 8x8 for the coop, and then have, I don't know, pretty decent size run. Oh yeah, and we can't forget about the goats too. We got to make sure I'd like to put some more shelter up for the goats. They have one little shed, which I don't think they're a fan of either. So I'll take those recommendations as well, since these guys over here, yeah, they're great. It's fun to deal with them. But I'd like to thank you all for the support and the comments. I hope you enjoy the content to come, and like and subscribe. And from our family to everybody else's, have a wonderful day.